Welcome to this technical guide on the HP AIO. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP AIO struggles with hard drive removal, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to the hard drive becoming stuck or the connectors becoming loose over time. If left unaddressed, it could lead to data loss or further complications with your device. Now, let's get into the tools needed for this repair. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement hard drive. It's essential to have these tools ready before you start. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the rear panel of the HP AIO. Carefully lift the panel off, using the plastic spudger to help if it's stuck. Once the panel is removed, locate the hard drive. It is usually secured by a bracket and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Gently disconnect this cable by pulling it straight out. Be cautious not to tug on the wires too hard. Next, unscrew the bracket holding the hard drive in place. Remember to keep these screws safe for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, carefully slide the hard drive out of its bay. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement hard drive and slide it into the bay, making sure it fits snugly. Reattach the bracket and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Next, reconnect the cable to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place. Once everything is reassembled, replace the rear panel of your HP AIO and secure it with the screws. Finally, power on your device and check if the hard drive is recognized. If you encounter any issues, it might be wise to consult a professional. To prevent this problem from recurring, regularly check your hard drive connections and ensure your device is kept in a dust-free environment. Keeping your software updated can also help maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.